Wonderhussy here. Today I'm in the San Francisco Bay Area, actually kind of right on the San Francisco Bay, in this town called Vallejo, home to this amazing abandoned naval shipyard. Well, abandoned slash decommissioned. Oh my god, you guys, check it out. There's actually an old warship here from World War II that you can get on and go for a tour. And this guy is super friendly and he said I could come in and check it out and take pictures. So, holy cow, look, there's like a friggin' machine gun, sorry, on the prow, I guess. I don't know, I need to brush up on my ship terminology. This is amazing. Oh, wow. Let me get myself out of the picture so I can show you a few things. Look, I don't know if you can see up there on the top, it says Yankee Dollar and there's a hula girl. I guess that was the name of the ship. Yeah, look, it's on the side there. It says Yankee Dollar. Commissioned in 1945 in Portland, Oregon. It was in Japan from September to December of 45. Then it was in China after that until April of 46. Far out. This is so amazing. Look at this thing. Now I can give you guys a pano that I'm not in the picture. What a cool boat. Man, let's go on board. We appreciate you being here to give us this tour because this is very interesting.
We're all Navy veterans, so this keeps us getting our fix of smell of wet and diesel smell.
Yeah, it's in your blood now, huh?
Oh yeah, it always has been. I come from a Navy family.
Oh yeah, your dad and grandpa in the Navy too?
Oh, my dad worked for the Navy in the shipyards, and both my older brothers were sailors.
Oh, cool. Wow, look at this. The pilot house. How cool is this?
Signal flags in, they go up here on these.
Oh, okay. Wow, look at
the radio call sign and the ID of the ship, but those flags are being rebuilt because the winds here tear them up.
Wow, look at this. Wait, are these some of the signal flags here?
Yeah, some of them.
Oh, wow, they're still in pretty good shape, huh?
Wheel.
Oh, the ship's wheel, yeah!
Telegraph.
Oh, it's like such a big, powerful ship, and then the wheel is just sort of nondescript.
Yeah, the Hornet down in Alameda, big aircraft carrier's got the same wheel.
Really?
Yep.
Even for a giant aircraft carrier, that's funny.
Yep.
Wait, what did you say this thing is?
The telegraph. You're like your gas pedal.
Oh, wow. Wow.
We have two compasses, the gyro compass and the magnetic compass.
Wow, okay.
Voice tubes go to various parts of the ship.
Voice tubes? Wait, what? So that's just kind of like an intercom?
Well, you yell on that, they hear you on the other side.
That's so cool. I love it. It's like a tin can and a string.
Yeah.
What's this?
Same thing.
Same thing? Oh, okay.
Yeah, this one goes to the top deck, that goes to the radio room, that other one goes all the way to the front where the officers are.
Okay, well.
You'll see the other end of that when we get there.
Oh, okay, cool. Wow, look at all this stuff. So interesting. All the signal flags. Wow, look at this thing. Holy crike.
Very easy.
That's well oiled.
I don't think they've been oiled in about 40 years.
Really? And it's just that smooth?
Yep.
Holy crike.
They go up and down very hard because the springs in here are electrical springs, like you have in a wristwatch.
Oh.
These are much more beefy.
Okay, this is what would have been fired. This is a 20 millimeter. This would have been fired from this gun. Holy cow, look how huge this is. This would do a lot of damage.
Take off an arm. Yeah,
at least take off an arm, if not more. Okay, wow, check this out. Look, this is a 50 caliber, you said?
50 caliber is kind of a confusing thing. That comes in with a formula you run with the diameter of the shell. By the length of the barrel, you come up with a 50. It's a 3-inch diameter shell.
3-inch diameter shell. There's a shell here that we can look at, right?
Yeah,
okay, cool. Wow, can I go up on this platform?
Yeah.
So we can check this out up close. Look at this. Look at this friggin' thing. This was anti-aircraft? Holy moly. Oh, this is where the guy would sit when he was firing it? Oh, there was 2 seats. Holy crike.
Side, right?
Oh yeah, the light's better on this side anyways. Wow. So yeah, it was adjustable, but dang, I don't know if I would have the upper body strength. Like, there's no kickback when you're firing this because it's on a pedestal, or how does that work?
Firing, there's the trigger right there. And then the foot pedals,
Wait,
this one is the safety, that one goes down when that's depressed.
That's the safety?
The mechanical trigger goes
Wait,
up.
and this is the trigger?
Yeah, the electronic trigger.
Oh, wow. That would be so much fun to fire this thing. But I guess you guys never do that, huh?
No, they don't.
Look at the sight.
None of the guns fire anymore. They've been fixed up so they can't fire.
Oh, well, maybe that's a good thing, because you know how people are.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the big dog. This is the 40 caliber.
You see the 4-round clip. There are 120 of them in these slots.
120 rounds in these slots back here?
Yeah.
Holy cow, and then it took 8 guys to man it?
Yep.
2 guys were standing, loading.
4 ammo handlers, 1 shooter, 1 pointer, and a trainer. Also have the
and a
ability to
trainer.
remote control.
Oh, this could be...
Up in that tub.
Holy
He was able to do
crike.
everything except loading.
Wow, this is amazing. Sorry, this footage kind of sucks, but holy cow, can I go up in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, well, we'll get some better footage and look at this. Wow, okay, so first of all, this is where they stored all the rounds in these little slots. And then here's the, holy cannoli. Look at this thing. Look, there's where one guy sat.
He makes it go right and left.
He was the right, left, and there's his sight. And then this, what did this guy on the left do?
He has the trigger, the pedal.
Oh, he's got the trigger. That was the guy with all the
He goes
power.
up and down.
See, that's the guy who goes up and down.
But the guy up in this tub back here also has a trigger.
Oh, and then there's this like tub up here where, wow, that's the remote guy?
Yeah. So when they
Holy.
have that selector switch over to auto and the power's on.
Okay, and then the guys who were loading were just standing like where I am?
Yeah, one following that opening around, and he handed it up to the
You hand it to that guy. Holy crike, what an operation.
Yeah, they were busy.
But they would take down some airplanes with this, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, by the way, I just found out that these aren't the original guns. These are recreations. This is just made out of PVC pipe. There was a local guy who built this, and it looks like exactly like the real deal. Okay, check it out. Down this little porthole, or not porthole, what do you call this? A hatch, I guess? Down this hatch, there's 3 magazines. That's where they stored all the ammunition. Whoa, cool. Look at that. Look at the handles on that to lock that door.
Those are dogs.
Dogs? That's what they call them?
Dogs. On a cam type, on a lever that's on a wedge that it wedges it up good and tight against the frame of the ship.
Well, yeah, you
like
would
this
want...
one does with the seal.
Oh, I see. Oh, wow,
That's
look
all
at the
dried
seal.
out,
Yeah,
but
this
when it
rubber
was
is
new,
totally...
It was rubber, very soft. It seals against this knife edge.
Oh, wow.
Very tight.
Cool. Oh. This was a big ship. I was just told there was 65 enlisted men and 6 officers on board. Big ship. So we're going to go check out some more. I want to go below decks.
Oh, the engine room is down here.
Oh, the engine room. Wow.
Throttles are right there.
The throttles are in here. Wow, look at
Dashboard
this.
basically is up there. These are engine management boxes.
Oh,
for
wow.
pumps.
Holy crike. How much fun would this thing be? Oh, now we're going below decks. Gotta take my sunglasses off. Ooh. Into the engine room, everyone.
These are going to be turned on.
Okay, hold on. I'm going slow because I don't want to fall and break anything. Oh, wow. This is neat.
When these are on, you have to wear hearing protection. It is very loud. down
Oh, I
here.
bet. Oh, wow. Look at this. It was a Mercedes, Maybach Mercedes-Benz engine.
Yep, they were put in after the war. What they had during the war is versions of this right here.
Oh, wow. Here's what they had during the war.
Those are 6-cylinder inline engines. They were called 671s.
Wow.
They're 2-stroke diesels. They're illegal here in California.
I bet they are.
It's away from the
Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so
those,
cool.
those 2 are 671s.
Holy
Well, picture
moly.
8 of them in here. So you had 4 over here and 4 over there.
Wow. Okay, now we're going to go in here and check this out. These are the shells for that first gun we looked at, right? Oh, holy moly, look at these mortars. Dang.
3-inch shell.
That's the big gun.
Holy crike. Okay, look how giant these mortar shells are. Yikes. And this would definitely take down an airplane.
Oh yeah.
This would take down just about anything. Amazing. Okay, this flag is the exact flag that was flown over this ship during the Battle of Okinawa. How about that? Look at it. And what are these names on the stars?
Places where it went to do missions.
Oh, wow, look at
They
that.
didn't pull Liberty. They went to those places to mostly do demining. The minesweepers would cut loose the mines. They'd come bobbing up.
Yeah.
And then they'd shoot them with the 50 caliber guns. Either they'd fill up with water and sink, or they'd blow up. And down here is where the crew ate their meals.
Oh, okay. First, let me peek in the galley. I didn't get video of that. Okay, this was the galley where they cooked all the meals. 2 cooks, well, a main cook and like a backup guy, had to cook everything for over 70 people, right? You said 66 crew and 6 officers? Wow, and all that came out of this little tiny galley. Look at this. Not too shabby. I love all these lockers down here to store all the supplies. That's cool. Everything had to be secured, man. You know, you get into rough seas and these plates will come flying out if they're not.
Yeah, that wasn't there during the war. They had, like I said, 2
cabinets.
big coffee pots.
Oh, right. That was for the coffee. Now we have this little urn. And then the refrigerator was down here, down this hatch. Or I don't know, would you call this a hatch if it's inside?
Well, no, a lot of ships have a hatch here, but that's just down to the lower level.
Oh, okay, and that's the refrigerator behind that great door. I mean, they had to store a ton of food.
Refrigerator, and inside that, there's a walk-in freezer.
I bet. They had to store all that food for all these guys, and they'd be out for quite a while, right? Out to sea?
2 weeks.
2 weeks worth of food for 70 people. Okay, now we're going to go down to the mess hall and check that out. Wow, this ship is a lot bigger than it looked like from above. I guess most of it's below the water, huh?
About half of the crew sleeps in there.
Oh, here's where half of the crew's. Oh, look at these bunks. Holy cow, they're like sardines in here.
Yeah.
This is how, like when you were in the Navy, this is how you slept?
No, we had 3 high bunks, and we slept on our clothes because the bunks were boxes, and you opened up the top where your mattress was, and that was the door, and then all your clothes, your uniforms and your civilian clothes were in that box. They call them coffin bunks.
It sounds like a coffin.
Yeah.
Oh, I see, but these are the lockers that these guys would have used?
Yeah.
So that locker is where you would have kept everything you needed for 2 weeks.
Yeah, we have a locker full of clothes up at the other one.
Oh, wow. But these beds, I mean, I'm not claustrophobic. I guess if you were claustrophobic, you probably wouldn't join the Navy, huh?
Problems.
Holy cow. I mean, I am not claustrophobic, but if you were claustrophobic...
Well, there's no sitting up in bed.
Yeah, you can't sit up. It's hard to even get in or out of this thing. And like you said, if they had to... All hands on deck.
You're good enough, you get used to it.
Boy, I guess. Okay, here's the mess hall, which they would eat in shifts, because there's only 2 tables in here. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, and there's a 3rd table. But even still, like, I don't know. How many people could you squeeze in here?
Time. It was also the... sick bay when needed, or the ship's store if they needed to buy stuff.
Oh, right, because you were saying there was a doctor on board.
Yeah, that stuff consisted of cigarettes or goop for the hair. They bought for the hair. They did that up until...
Wait, hair? I thought everybody had regulation haircuts. They didn't have hair.
Yeah, some had enough to comb. I did. And,
well, we've already established
you were on the side.
You were a hippie. We've already established that. You said you got dressed down for... Your hair being too long?
Yeah, well, if it touches your ears, then you get hit.
Well, you're from the San Francisco area. I guess it's in your blood, huh?
Yeah.
Walking down the hall.
This is the radio room.
Oh, the radio room.
There's live Morse code coming in.
That's live Morse code coming in right now?
Yeah.
From where?
Around the world.
Like,
some of it sometimes is from the Hornet over in Alameda.
Really?
Yeah, that's open to the public.
So, I mean, are they trying to tell you something? Like, do you need to answer them?
Broadcast out to whoever can read it.
Really?
And those radios back there, the 4 boxes, are the World War II sets. There's 2 receivers and 2 transmitters. 2 of those boxes, a receiver and a transmitter, you're holding in your hand now.
Really?
That's all your cell phone is
yeah, right?
Radio.
Holy cow, look how big it was back then. 2 of those boxes equals 1 little cell phone that I'm using to shoot this whole video. Wow. Things have changed, huh?
Yep.
Uh-oh, we got incoming.
Yep.
That's so interesting. Oh, the crew's head.
They wash their clothes in the sinks.
Really? Dang, those are small sinks. This is where they all had to do their shaving and everything?
Showers, they were divided.
Wow, look at this latrine. Really? What?
That toilet is a typical World War II toilet.
A World War II toilet.
Salt water coming in one end, everything else in the out of it in the other end.
Yeah, I
so
see
it.
it. Wow.
Continuously.
Just the urinal.
Yeah, number 1 and number 2.
Yeah, right. And then the shower here.
Yep.
Decent sized shower, but 1 at a time.
No, 2.
Oh, 2 at a time. I see this one there.
But they had that divided, so you had some.
Oh, you had a little bit of privacy.
A little degree of.
Well, you don't have much expectation of privacy when you're on a ship like this for 2 weeks, you know? Okay, here was the officer's head. It was a little bit more privacy. I mean, you had.
Yeah,
You know, only 6 guys to... Yeah, a little bit more civilized. They had a shower and a toilet. And it sank for 6 people. Oh, and then look at all this storage they had. Lucky guys. And this is the officers' quarters. Petty officers over here.
They're enlisted that.
Oh, they only go 3 high. They get a little bit of headroom.
I've been on a ship like this, I would have been in that one.
Oh, and then look how swanky this is.
And that's junior officers.
Junior officers. Ooh. They even have a desk.
Senior officers.
Oh, the senior officers. This has to be really nice. Ooh, look.
And there's pictures of the officers
Oh,
on this
wow.
ship over there.
These were the officers that worked on this ship. Oh, look how cool. These guys, they look so happy. Look at this guy. He's so young.
Yep.
These guys were young. Wow. And this was one of the old
They were
typewriters.
as young as 16 years old, not the officers, but the crew. They snuck in.
Oh, the officers mess. Look how nice.
Here at once,
What?
though.
Look at this china. Look at how cool this china is with a little anchor on it. I love it. Who's this guy?
That's the skipper, the World War II skipper.
Oh.
He was a lieutenant. That's why we don't call him a captain.
Okay.
And he wrote up his own discharge papers at the end of the war. He sent them in, and they got approved.
Wow, and then look at this. I just noticed this really cool old radio.
One of
Look
the
at
things
this.
you notice here are the drain lines.
Oh, the drain lines.
Yeah, all the drains are down here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they come and they go over the side.
Oh, okay. So that's like where the wastewater and the coffee and stuff.
This is black water coming out of the
Oh, that's the
toilets.
sewage. Okay. Bah.
Nowadays you can't do that, but all the other water can go over the side.
Wow, what a great tour. Thank you so much, Dave. I appreciate it. You're awesome. Listen, you guys do this 3 times a week, right?
Yep.
Anybody who wants to can come down Tuesday, Thursday, or Saturday
9 to 3.
from 9 to 3, and they can tour this awesome ship and learn all about the Navy and World War II. Wow, how friggin' cool was that? Here I thought I was just gonna get kicked off this island, and I was welcomed by those super nice volunteers.